Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. My name is Steve, behind the camera is Lee, and in today's video we're joined by, once again, the F70 M135. Now, a couple of weeks back you'd have seen us wash this car and demonstrate how good the coatings are working, but you also will notice the glass wasn't coated. So today, join me as we coat the glass and show you all the benefits. So with the paintwork coated, beading absolutely perfect, as you can see from the last video, we're now jumping onto the glass, and we wanted to make a completely separate video to show you exactly what you can expect when you get your glass coated. Now for that we're using G1 Clear Vision Smart Glass from Gtechniq, and we include this in our detailing packages as well. So let's jump onto the glass, and once we're done with that, we'll take you outside, fingers crossed it rains, and we can show you exactly how the beading works. So as a detailer, as I said before, we don't really like getting cars out in the rain, but for this one, we've been quite lucky today. It has rained, and as you see from a couple of clips, we're going to show you now, the beading on the glass is absolutely amazing. Now, what we say to customers is when you have got glass coatings, you don't need to use your wipers. A lot of cars now come with the auto function. We just turn that off. You don't really need it at all. As you see, when we're using this glass coating too, when we get to about 60 miles an hour, it really takes effect. Anything below that, it's not too bad, but we do have another glass coating that can cover the lower miles an hour. So if you are, for example, someone that drives around the city quite a lot, we would recommend G5. It's faster reacting at a lower speed compared to G1. G1's more for long distance drives, motorway miles, what a lot of people do. But again, if you are in the city, G5 is the more preferred one for your vehicle. Another thing as well is visibility, not during the day, but also during the night. You're going to hear the rain, but you're not going to see the rain. It's a really cool feature about glass coating. But again, any questions you do have about glass coatings at all, do feel free to leave them down below in the comment section. We'll get back to you straight away, as quick as we can. But yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. Any, like I said, questions you have, feel free to let us know, but we'll see you in the next one.